and we saw everything. We saw red buses and went fish and chips. And now we're gonna see the Tower Bridge. We're gonna go on the boat. Let's see you in the boat. And look, there's one on the line. We arrived really late, and the next day we explored Greenwich, and some people call it Greenwich. We're to the top of the hill. Now we're going to the Park Museum. We're going to the museum, and we're gonna ride on a pirate ship. This is the Maritime Museum, and it's full of old things, games, and old Navy stuff. There's a big anchor from a boat, and it falls off, and it helps them stop and get off the boat. And let's go in. The museum has a very amazing auditorium and a lot of cool places to explore in different areas.
Two hours later.
There's a lot of old stuff you can see.
Do you see? Ah, yes. Is there anything more glorious than fighting for your country?
We enjoyed playing with all the interactive games. This one is about Christopher Columbus and how he discovered America. This ship belonged to Captain Cook, and he discovered Australia. This is a treasure chest, and there's so many. There are so little. Nelson was really famous, but he got shot in the battle, and you can see the hole in his jacket. And finally, me and my sister got to play some games in the play area. I'm so excited to go on it. This ship was called the Cutty Sark. This was the fastest ship in the world. went to Shanghai 4 times and it was collecting tea. And he brought the tea back to England. And we got this from the store. It's a treasure map and I'll show what is in there. It's this treasure map and I think they got treasure. Oh, so you have to go here first, and then here, there. We are under the ship and it's here.
And he designed 32,000 square feet of sail for this ship, which is a massive amount of sail, given the relatively small ship this is. In fact, if you saw this ship in full sail, you wouldn't want to get on board. You'd be frightened to death by that amount of sail. Even from where we're standing here, underneath the ship, you'd be able to see masses of sail hanging from all 3 masts. I can see the yard arm from here right now, where it would hang from. So imagine that 3 times on both sides of the ship, way over the beams of the ship. From above, you could barely see ship for sail. That's how much sail. 32,000 square feet of sail.
That says Shanghai. It's tea from China. Now let's get exploring. Don't forget to check out our other videos and click that subscribe button.